Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn a very first topic called as ER diagram. So basically an ER diagram is nothing. It is an entity relationship diagram. So in this topic we are going to learn a very basic definition, very basic components, the three components, that is entity, attributes and relationship. So this video is going to be very short. Let's start with a very basic definition of the ER diagram. It is a visual representation of the structure of the database. As you all might know, what is database, right? So basically database is nothing but a collection of tables, and table in turns contain rows and columns, right? So to represent that tables we need a help of ER diagram. The table representation can be done using the ER diagram, we can say, in a very easy manner. Okay, now let's start with the components of ER diagram. So basically we are having the three components. First one is the entities, second one is the attribute, and third one is the relationship. So when you are going to start with the entities, so whenever you are going to imagine what is entities, so basically it is nothing, these are the objects or concept that we want to store data about. Like for example, you are having a database called as college, right? So that college might be having a student as an entity, might be having a course as an entity, might be having a department as an entity, right? So in order to represent that entities in a ER diagram, we need a specific symbol. That symbol is nothing but a rectangle. So all the entities of the table can be represented using a symbol rectangle. We have taken one example as a student, so that student is enclosed in a rectangle. Second one is the attribute. So basically attribute, you can say in an easy way that it is nothing but a characteristic or the properties of the entities. They are typically represented as the column in a relational database. So when you are going to imagine visually, so these attributes can be represented using a symbol called as oval. Let's give a very short comparison between relational database and ER diagram. So when you are comparing a relational database, so we are having a database, we are having a table inside a database, we are having a columns and rows in a table, right? So when you are going to compare with the ER diagram, so table becomes the entity for the ER diagram, and the column of the table becomes the attributes of ER diagram. So this is about entries and entity and attributes. Let's start with the relationship. So basically relationship is nothing, it is a connection between entities. So whenever you are having a table, we are having a comparison, we are having a relationship between them, between two or more tables, right? So that representation can be done using diamond symbol in a ER diagram. So if you want to compare two, or if you want to relate to different entities, we can make the use of symbol diamond, and we can write down what type of relationship the particular two entities is having. Basically when you are going to see the relationship in more deep manner, we are going to have one-to-one relationship, we are going to have one-to-many relationship, we are going to have many-to-many relationship. So these are different sorts of relationship that you will see in the next video in more detailed manners. So stay tuned. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel.